Title: The Impact of Population Growth on Our World. Introduction. Population growth is a topic of significant concern in today's world. It refers to the increase in the number of individuals living in a particular area over a specific period. The global population has been steadily increasing for centuries, and this growth has far-reaching consequences on various aspects of our lives, including the environment, economy, and social structures. In this essay, we will explore the causes and consequences of population growth and consider potential solutions to mitigate its negative impacts. Causes of population growth. Several factors contribute to population growth. One of the primary drivers is the birth rate, which refers to the number of live births per thousand people in a given year. High birth rates are often observed in developing countries where access to family planning and education is limited. Cultural and religious beliefs can also influence family size, leading to larger families in some communities. Another factor contributing to population growth is increased life expectancy. Advances in healthcare, sanitation, and nutrition have led to longer lifespans, which means that more people are living into old age. While this is a positive development, it also places additional pressure on resources and healthcare systems. Consequences of population growth. Environmental impact. One of the most significant consequences of population growth is its impact on the environment. As the population increases, so does the demand for natural resources such as water, arable land, and energy. This puts a strain on ecosystems and contributes to deforestation, habitat destruction, and resource depletion. Moreover, the increased production of goods and services leads to higher levels of pollution and greenhouse gas emissions, exacerbating climate change. Economic challenges. Population growth can both positively and negatively affect a country's economy. On one hand, a growing population can lead to a larger labor force and potentially higher economic output. However, this only holds true if there are enough job opportunities and resources to support the growing population. In many cases, rapid population growth outpaces economic development, leading to unemployment and poverty. Social implications. A rapidly growing population can strain social services such as healthcare, education, and housing. Overcrowded schools can result in a lower quality of education, and inadequate healthcare facilities may lead to higher mortality rates. Additionally, urbanization and increased population density can contribute to social issues such as crime and congestion. Solutions to population growth. Education and family planning. Providing access to education, particularly for women, can have a significant impact on reducing birth rates. Educated individuals tend to make more informed decisions about family size and have greater access to family planning resources. Promoting the use of contraception and family planning services can help control population growth. Economic development. Encouraging economic development in regions with high birth rates can help address the population issue. When people have access to better job opportunities and improved living conditions, they tend to have smaller families. This can be achieved through investments in infrastructure, healthcare, and education. Sustainable practices. To mitigate the environmental impact of population growth, it's essential to promote sustainable practices. This includes adopting renewable energy sources, implementing conservation measures, and reducing waste and emissions. Conclusion. Population growth is a complex issue with far-reaching consequences. While it brings challenges in terms of resource depletion, economic strain, and social issues, there are viable solutions to address these problems. Education, family planning, economic development, and sustainable practices all play a crucial role in managing population growth while ensuring a better quality of life for all. It is essential for governments, organizations, and individuals to work together to find a balance between population growth and sustainability in the modern world.